afternoon, everybody. It's me, Danny from Miami. We're here in beautiful South Beach, Florida at the Flamingo Park, and today I'm coming to you live to unbox the FPV DJI Combo. Fresh released March 2nd, 2021. And of course, you know I buy all my products from DJI Wynwood Life in Wynwood, Miami. Stay tuned, okay? We're here outside. We're getting ready to unbox the drone. Alright guys, let's get to this. So like I said, I'm Danny from Miami, and normally I don't do these. This is my first unboxing video, and what better reason than to come to you live right now to unbox this than the DJI FPV Combo, man. I'm super excited to share with you what's inside the box. I'm not super techy. I'm just gonna make sure you guys know what's included, and that once we get it charged up later today, we'll be back tomorrow so you can see and the first test flight, all right? So here we go. Here we go. Feel like it's Christmas, everybody. Make sure we don't litter the beautiful city of South Beach. And again, like I said, super excited. I've been flying drones now for a few years, and I've always seen the FPV flyers and just realized that you have to build it from scratch. And now what DJI has done, it made it easy for the everyday consumer to get this available for us. So here we go. Let's see. Okay, there we go. And of course, while this video is taking place, if you guys have any questions or comments, make sure you leave them down below. And if you haven't subscribed already, make sure you please like, subscribe, share, follow, smash that like button to my channel, because we got a bunch of new content coming soon. All right, so let's see. Man, it's like child safety locks. You guys ready? Ready? Oh, wow, that is fucking sexy. Amazing, man. Check it out. Super excited to get it out and see what's going on here. So here we are. It's open finally. That is something, that is a thing of beauty. And of course, you guys know I had to get the Fly More kit with the extra batteries included. And there is a joystick option, but I didn't get the joystick option yet. I wanted to make sure I know how to fly it normally before I start practicing with the joystick. So of course, we have the goggles. And to me, this is the most important thing. It's gonna be like you're in the cockpit of the jet. Can't wait to try these on. Can't wait to see what the FPV flight version is all about. Okay, here's the drone. Oh man, doesn't weigh too much. Doesn't weigh too much. It looks like a spaceship from Terminator or something. This is awesome. So here it is. This thing is amazing. It looks like a spaceship right out of Independence Day or something. Let me make sure I don't lose this. This is for the propellers, propeller guards. And of course we have the remote. I want to find the remote in here somewhere. Let's see. Okay, very nice. They always do very nice packaging. So great to have a controller that doesn't need to have a phone connected to it anymore. And of course, I still fly with the Mavic 2 Pro Zoom, and I have the smart controller instead, just because I hate having to connect the phone to my drones. So of course, here we now have the drone with a remote and goggles for visuals. Okay, here, just some fancy packaging. You see here we have, oh no, this actually might be propellers, right? These are the extra set of propellers. All right. And this is the one set for the drone, and you get one set included for extras, just in case there's any damage. Okay. And we have here, this has to be the power charging cables. Yep. We have, this is going to be part of the charging that connects to this. It's always like a 3-piece setup for the charging. You get the cord that plugs into the wall, you get the charger, and then of course with the Fly More kit you get the extra hub to charge multiple batteries at one time. All right, I don't want to break it, just for, let's see. Oh, I broke it. Of course, you got this quick start guide. I'll be going over that a little later. And of course, now we have all the cables. Here's for charging the remote. Here's the power cord that goes into the battery pack. Looks like we have some rubber guards for propellers, more cords. I'm sure these are all the connector pieces for if you have Android. We have joysticks in there as well. Let's see, do we have anything over here? Yeah, there's something over here. This looks like it's a cover for the front of the drone. It might change to green, so it's more to be seen. I like that. I'm gonna definitely get a skin for the drone. And like I mentioned as well, I got the Fly More kit. So let's just go through here. Like I said, you can see the hub with the extra batteries. So glad to have this. Again, it's more like a Christmas present, birthday present. Can't wait to take my content to the next level. And here you have the intelligent flight batteries. You have 2 more flight batteries and the charging hub as well. Okay. Now apparently DJI says there is a 9-minute flight time with each of these batteries. So it's not a lot of flight time, but with the amount of content you can get and the quality for what this drone is capable of doing, it's definitely going to be enough flight time. And then of course you can always invest in extra batteries by yourself just to have them. Depends on what kind of shooting you're doing, you know. So that's the Fly More kit, and like I said, the joystick is still available out there to be purchased. I am also going to be getting a GPC case, like I always do, to protect the drone as well. DJI didn't include a carrying case with this one, so it's always best GPC Go Professional cases, and they always have the best safety for your drones. I'm gonna go ahead and pack all this back away. Okay, make sure you guys stay tuned for what's next. We're gonna get it all plugged up and charged up later. Stay tuned. Guys, there you have it, the unboxing of the DJI FPV Combo. Like I said, I'm Danny from Miami. Make sure if you have any comments or questions, leave them down below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my channel. And like I said, here we go. We had the remote in the box. We had the drone that looks like something straight out of a space movie, out of an alien movie. And then of course the goggles, and these are what I'm super excited about. Can't wait to try these on. Make sure you stay tuned for our first flight. I can't wait. Coming soon.